how do they do that? They just talk. No long pause, no thinking. They just answer. When someone speaks English to me, my brain just stops. I know I want to say something, but the words don't come. Oh no, this coffee was hot. Now it's cold. I forgot to drink it. I was too busy thinking about English.
Sorry I took so long. The line was longer than I thought. Hey, why do you look so serious? Is there a problem?
You know, I was watching that couple. They make speaking English look so easy.
Okay. So what happened?
When someone talks to me in English, I freeze. I know some words, I know some grammar, but when it's my turn to speak, nothing comes out.
You know, almost every English learner says that. Every learner feels that same stop. You are not alone.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
But really, what happens in that stop? It feels like nothing, like my brain is empty.
It's not empty. It's busy. Very busy. Let's check. When I ask you something in English, what happens first in your head?
First, I hear the English.
Okay, keep going.
Then I understand it, but only after I change it into my own language.
And then?
Then I think of my answer, still in my language. Wait.
Yes?
Then I change my answer back into English. And I check the grammar. Is it right? Is it wrong?
And then?
Then, finally, I say it. Oh, that is 4 jobs for 1 sentence.
There. You found that yourself. I only asked questions.
Sometimes it feels like 2 conversations. One is in my head. I'm still making the perfect sentence. The other one is real life, and it's already finished.
Yes, that part is not funny.
No, it's very tiring.
Can I tell you something? It might help, or it might make you angry at me.
Depends.
Your brain is not slow. It's too busy. Slow and too busy look the same from outside, but they are different problems, and different problems need different fixes.
But why does my brain do this? Why does it translate? If it makes me slow, why doesn't it just stop?
Because your first language is like the main program in your brain. It started when you were a baby. English is a new program. Of course, your brain checks the main program first. That's not a mistake. That's just how brains work.
So, translating is not wrong?
No, not wrong at all. It's a normal step. Almost every learner does it. The real problem is different. You never told yourself it's okay to stop now.
What do you mean, stop?
You learned English by translating. So part of you thinks this is the right way. Like skipping that step is cheating. So you keep doing it, even now when you don't need it anymore.
I never thought of it like that. I thought it was just how my brain is.
It's how your brain works now, not how it must work forever.
Aw, what a cute dog.
You know what's interesting? Children don't translate. Did you know that?
What do you mean?
See that dog? A 2-year-old child doesn't have a dictionary. She doesn't have a grammar book. She sees a dog, and she says, dog. No stop. No other language first.
Because she never learned another language first.
Right. And that's the important part. Children connect what they see directly to a word. No translating step, because there's nothing to translate. And guess what? You already do this. Every single day. In your own language. You just don't give yourself permission to do it in English, too.
Really?
Really. You already know many English words. You just don't trust them yet.
Okay, let's test this. Ask me something. No translating. First word that comes.
How was your morning?
Good. Quiet. Wait, I didn't translate that.
No time to. Your brain used English it already knows.
Good. Quiet. That feels too small to be a real answer.
And here is the secret nobody tells beginners. Fluent doesn't mean big words. Fluent means fast, small words.
Fast, small words. Okay, so the effortless ones over there, that's my new name for them, they're probably not using difficult English either.
I doubt it. You know, most real conversation is small. I think so. Not really. Let's see. You already know all these words.
Then what am I missing? It's not the words.
Well, it's the speed. Getting to the words you already have, without a stop first.
A stop?
Okay, here. Think of a police officer inside your brain. Every sentence must stop. Show ID, get checked. Only then it can leave your mouth. I call this the translation desk.
Oh, yeah. That is very true.
So, what if some sentences just skip the desk?
Is that allowed?
Well, you already did it. 2 times tonight. The morning question. The dog question. No desk, both times. Remember?
Okay, but here's my question. Sometimes I know the words. I'm 100% sure I know them, but I still freeze. Why, if it's not about words?
You see, knowing a word and trusting a word are 2 different things. Freezing is usually not a words problem. It's a confidence problem wearing a words costume.
Okay, tell me more.
You're standing at the desk, waiting for permission you don't need. The words are already in your pocket. You're just scared to use them without someone checking first.
So confidence and speed are connected.
Correct. Very connected. A confident speaker is not always more correct. They just speak before the checking finishes. The checking still happens, quietly, after the sentence, in the background.
Oh, that sounds scary. Speaking before you're sure.
Well, yeah, it sounds scary, but it's really just new. Scary and new are not the same thing.
So one more question, then I'll stop asking. Why does checking grammar while I speak make everything slower? Grammar should help me. Why does it work against me?
Because you're trying to do 2 jobs at the same time, building the sentence and checking the sentence at the same moment. Try walking and checking every step is perfect. You will fall. Walking works because you don't think about it. Speaking works the same way, after some practice.
So the goal is not no grammar, It's not right now.
Exactly. Grammar has a place, just not in the middle of talking. It's for after, when you write, when you study, not while the conversation is moving.
That makes a lot of sense. I thought good speakers had perfect grammar while talking, but they don't, right?
Almost nobody does. Even fluent speakers stop, restart, drop small words, say things a little wrong. Nobody notices because the meaning is still clear. Small, imperfect, and fast is better than big, perfect, and late. Every time. In real conversation.
Small, imperfect, and fast.
Trust your English, not perfect English. The English you have right now, today. Anything else for you two?
Just one refill, please. This one is cold. Wait,
What?
I didn't translate that. I wasn't even thinking about English. I was thinking about the coffee.
No translation desk.
No translation desk. It just happened. Nobody told me it would feel like this.
That's the whole point. It's not a trick. It's something you can already do. You just showed it, and you weren't even trying.
I want to feel that again.
Then stop planning your sentences before you say them. Just live them. One idea, one sentence. That's really it.
One idea, one sentence.
Don't chase perfect.
Chase connection.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Whoa! I answered them just now, so fast. The exact people I was watching 20 minutes ago thinking, how do they do that? And I just did the same thing without even noticing.
Because it was never difficult. You were just standing at a desk, waiting for permission you already had.
That actually makes me feel excited to practice more.
That's good. Today you learned 3 things. First, you don't have to translate every sentence. Second, small words are enough. And third, the English you already know is more than you think. Next time someone talks to you, don't look for perfect English. Just use the English that's already in your head. One small sentence is always better than no sentence.
I think I can do that.
I know you can.